Hello, this is Nick from BIM Pure. In this video, we're exploring the brand new doors in the 1.2 version release of our doors collection. This is in addition to all the doors that were previously released that you can see here. We have other videos covering these. We're going to focus on the new doors that have just been added. And if you open the collection, you can see that all new doors have been marked with this red new 3D text. Let's start with the biggest new piece in the collection, the garage doors. You can see 4 different families: fully glazed, solid, windows on top, and windows on the center. Let's zoom in and play with this one. Let's have a look at the parameters. Obviously, you can just play with the dimension, the height, and the width. Then you can adjust the thickness of the door, and then you have the rail height. This is if you have a sloped ceiling. Let's see, we can enter an angle of 30 degrees in this case. You can see the top horizontal angle is adjusted. If you scroll down lower on the family, you will see more option. In this case, for example, you can decide if you want the bottom to be solid or glazed. So we can uncheck bottom solid and glazing will be automatically activated. You can see the result. You can decide if you want the trim around the door to be visible or not. And then you can adjust the number of panels. Just ensure that you never go below 4. So let's try to swap this. You can see 4 panels. We could also go up to 6. And then the number of mountains are these vertical divisions for the glazed version. So we could go to, let's try 4, for example, something like that. Next on the update are the double doors with uneven panels. That means if I go to the type properties, I can modify the large panel width independently from the small one. And the rest will be calculated. You can see this one is uneven. You can also see in the plan view here what happens. And something else that is interesting, you can pick a different kind of panels. So for example, right now on the right side, we have simple glazing. We could pick, let's say, panel number 5, which this one. And for the left side, we could even pick full glazing. Let's check that out. There we go. In the 1.1 version of the doors collection, we did add doors with side lights and top lights. We've added 3 more families requested by users. So a single door with both a side light on one side and a top light. Same thing for a double door and a double door with a side light on one side only. Next on the list, new sliding doors with multi-panels. In the previous update, we already added sliding doors, but users wanted to customize the number of panels in these sliding families. So here, if you scroll down to the type properties, you can see a number of panels and edit to 5, for example. You can see this family is updated, or you can go down to 3 and it will still work. And similarly to other families in this door collection, you can easily swap to a different panel type. In the previous version of the door collections, we did add a high LOD wood door with a lot of options to have more control. For example, the ability to cut the bottom of the door panel to include the floor finish. Well, users requested a double version of this door, so it has been added to the collection. Finally, we've added our low LOD doors that don't have any frame, any handles, any panel options that are made for early phase, but we did create options that don't have the accessibility clearances. They are available in both single and double door. You can still control the swing angle value, just like this. And also check this box to use the existing swing with a straight line. And that's it for this update. If you want to learn how to use all the other doors in the collection, make sure to watch all the previous videos in this series. Our doors and windows collection are available in the BIM Pure membership. Subscribe for a year and unlock all BIM Pure downloads. You can keep the files forever. In addition to doors, you will also find our BIM Pure plugin, our Pro template, in our collection of Revit windows. All our Revit content is updated based on requests by users in the community. You will also unlock our collection of Revit courses, made to be simple, fun, and efficient. Finally, you will get access to our series of live masterclasses. With a wide variety of experts on various Revit and BIM topics, you can catch live or watch our exhaustive catalog of replays. Enroll now and unlock all content at bimpure.com.